How was your first class with me? Hope you enjoyed my explanation. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, police00.djtp.or.kr. Then let's start our second session. Let's enjoy. You already got the review. The first part, establishment of infrastructure for startup. You have to remember that within 5 years, the companies, they could join this first project. After that, we just got a second and third step. And additionally, we do the number 4, Post BI specialized support project. So as you can see, followingly, I will explain about this session for each. The part 2, the 3-up support project. The name is Business Comprehensive Support for Commercializations. Commercialization package part 2 is this part, and we supported 2 categories. First one is support products expansion necessary for commercialization based on new and existing products. And second, comprehensive support for commercialization to secure competitiveness of own products. So based on your first stage, the second one, before you make your market, this project definitely gives some good benefit for your each company. We Daejeon Technopark already selected this year's the companies. The size is up to $60,000 US per project. And this year, 18 companies, they are selected for 6 months project. So this chart, I would like to introduce about purpose of this project. This big project is between the stage establishment and market creation. That's why this project purpose is that development of new products and improvement of existing products. Please think thoroughly about this linear process. So first part is development of new products. And second, the level is improvement of existing products. And final, the level is generate competitiveness and sales. So the companies, they already made their own product and they wanna to make an improvement of existing products. This package project is totally fit your taste. So just like first level, I would like to about the support contents. These are detailed segments we support government money for each companies. Because many companies, they are sometimes confused which part they could get fund from the government. So I will explain one by one very clearly. First one is the government will provide money for the labor cost. And second, material cost. Third one is prototype production cost. Next one is test and evaluation cost. And acquisition support cost. Additionally, marketing support cost or travel cost. This one also, on your country's the background, you guys can select. This one is good or this one is bad. Project managers has to review very carefully. And one thing clear is that as a project manager, you have to have the right insight when you choose a good company and select which contents are needed. So specifically, we just review about each segment. First one is a very important type is the prototyping for the new product. So I just want to review about the content, support for product design or markup, and mold production costs necessary for the new product development. Yeah, or sometimes you want to upgrade and the renewal of the existing products. Also, we prototype cost we support. Second one is many the SMEs owners, they have their concern about design work, I believe. Because design capability is the one of the key, they could make a better product. So Daejeon Technopark, we support for visual design development costs, such as products, packaging, environment, and promotional material through design organization to strengthen the competitiveness of companies with weak design capabilities. So I hope you guys get a new function to each company to make a better design. Third one is the business support. This one is the normally support for the feasibility of commercialization plan and business models. So business support case, it's a general part we just to support the money for their companies, their management. And next one is the marketing. The many companies, they have difficulties when they make better the marketing skills. So participate in exhibition or produce the brochures and support domestic and international media publicly to induce sales of individual companies' products. Marketing part is also very essential one that this part is we support. And the many companies, they also get a better result based on their test evaluation. So this part is also Daejeon Technopark, we provide the money. Yeah, obtaining certification of research result or securing public confidence in the measurement result and qualification as an accredited testing institution. So many companies, they want to get this test evaluation level. I think this project is really, really good for you. And of course, this one is the additional, the one, intellectual property application support. The patent or utility model overseas patent application or trademark design, overseas trademark application. There are all the intellectual property application we also support. So I just want to say this is the building of win-win structures. Look at this win-win structure diagram. First, it is very important each company has their own technology. So this one is the first level is technologies. I think technology is the key. The company got a better performances based on their project plan. But this technology, of course, for ensure their technology production line is very intensive key, has to manage and linked with the marketing part. The marketing part is intensive, the cultivation of industry that have the potential for commercialization. So first technology, to show you a good technology, this is the marketing part, is very important. So we support this part linked with the technology. Of course, even though you have a good marketing skill, the production management is a key when you make a good product. So whether to introduce a systemic production management system. So production line is also very important when you make a good product line. So when you need some cost, just apply for this project and then get your help. And the next one is these three parts is included. The general management is also very important because establishing a comprehensive support system, that means the managers, when the SMEs, their manager handle all the project, their general management cost is needed. So that's why for the better performances with the 3-step, we support general management cost too. So these 4 parts are very practical and good circulation. So please remember that one. So this is the quiz. What is the name of this process? I think you guys already know how to submit the answer. So can you guys guess the answers? Yeah, making good prototyping line are the main key when business comprehensive support for commercialization project is needed for the company. So this is the explanation. Support for product design, markup, and mold production costs necessary for the new product development or upgrade and renewal of existing products. Yeah, think about it. the step 3, yes, part 3, the 3 of support projects. 3 is market creation support. Actually, I'm this part the manager, market creation support. Of course, these 3 of supporters are we already equipped in Daejeon Technopark. Among 3 parts, I'm in charge of this market creation support part. This market creation support's main reason is that develop sales channels and foster global leading companies. So I just wanna emphasis of this meeting. So develop sales channel or fostering global leading companies. That when you think about your market globally, I think this project is really fit your taste. So please listen carefully and let's study together. Yeah, actually, market creation support this project. We have 4 different detailed projects. So let's review one by one. Yeah, the first one is the market demonstration support project. And second one is overseas demand expansion support project. Third one is demand-based customized individual support project. And the next one is the overseas exhibition total marketing support project. Each part are divided because all the parts have a different meaning. So first one, I just want to introduce about one. Support for product installation and development costs to secure reliability using public and non-profit organization. Yeah, this project means you could make your demo production with the governmental office. Yeah, this means is actually this meaning for the Daejeon city. So you could make a good relationship with other Daejeon public organization. You could make a demo product to that organization. So thanks to Daejeon government, you guys can get a chance to make your own demo production using another organization. Second one is the overseas demand expansion support project. You just gotta renew the plan with foreign your customer, the product renewal support for the overseas buyers their need. And third one is demand-based customized individual support project. Each company, they has their own plan to participate in the exhibition in domestic or in global. We just support the money, domestic or overseas individual exhibition participation expense. So I think it is totally good when you want to participate in the one exhibition or good the content. The next one is the overseas exhibition total marketing support project. This one is the mainly Daejeon Technopark. Now I managed this one. So I just bring some good companies and we go to the global. Until now, the Vietnam or China, 2 countries are very strong in Korea because their needs are very high. So I selected the proper companies and we go there together, China or Vietnam. So support for joint participation in Vietnam, Hanoi, General Exhibition, and Shenzhen, China Exhibition. Okay, from this time, I just want to introduce about each part more specifically. Because I think market demonstration support project is the main one. It's market creation support project. So I strongly believe that this one is very important. So I just want to review about what is market demonstration support project. That one is companies that secure products and installation organization that need to enter the market by small and mid-sized venture companies. That means you guys can make a demo your products through the public organization in local area. So of course, Daejeon Technopark, so Daejeon companies, they could make an installation in Daejeon public organization. So I just want to introduce about 2 parts. enhance the competitiveness of R&D and commercialization of venture and SMEs in the region of Daejeon, and enter the initial market products using research results in local zone. And second one is cooperate sales and job creation through the functional and performance evaluation and securing reliability and reference for the new products. Just you can see what is the installation organization, public institution or non-profit institution. Because you guys know that one, we are for the government, we work for the government, and it means we just aim at the installation for the non-profit institution. So what is the support content? Market demonstration support, we divided 3 contents. First one is the material cost, second one is the production cost, third one is construction and installation cost. The budget this year, each company, the $50,000 they got from the Daejeon City government. This year, the 15 companies they are selected. So I just want to show about this year's the companies they show about their performances. First, the seeders, as you can see, they are planting service. And second, last tech, that is robotic tech one. They introduce about their organization, how they do work in the place. So I think robotics is one of the things these days many Korean people we are interested in. Third one is the AdSonic. As you can see, it's the outside. It's solving green tide problem. So there are many issues we handle in Daejeon. So those companies, they choose one topic and they just want to make it real. Before they make a product line for the customer, they just make a demonstration their products before they make their market. You can guys guess that one? Okay, second is the overseas demand expansion support project. That main goal is that strengthening export infrastructure through the customized support for overseas local market. It needs to get customers' letter or the paper about renewal the products. Based on the customers' the renewal plan, we got approved. This one is good when you export your product in global. So this part we support contents, you guys remember that. First one is product spec change cost. The second one is a product quality change cost. Third one is product design and language change fee. And fourth one is product certification and consulting cost. This one is for the global loyalty, because to get a global channel, sometimes you guys may know about the customers, they have to contact with the global other customer. So based on their own plan or the letter or the paper for plan, you guys can approve. This is good for the global society. And so these 2 things, why this project is important and needed. The first one is support for securing sales channel through the support for new product development cost as a condition of overseas export purchase. And second one is supporting renewal cost of products which signing an export contract with overseas customers or buyers. They are reflecting local request. So actually, Korean company, we did not match with the global their rules or their index. So that's why, based on this project, the budget, within $30,000, using that money, the selected company, they could change their qualification. So this year, 2020, the 6 company they were chosen, and then they made a progress with me together. Third one is demand-based customized individual support project. Supporting money related individual their marketing works. So participate in exhibition or overseas local meeting or buyer invitation. So I just want to read about the main contents, why this project is needed for now. So market development by individual participation in domestic and overseas exhibitions for diversification of business partners, continuous buyer discovery, and overseas market management with support for individual invitation of overseas local or overseas buyers. I think each company, they has their own taste when they search information. And exhibition is one of the way the company, they show their products. That's why all the people or all the company, they have diverse their needs. That's why this project is needed for these four parts we just supported. First one is the domestic exhibition, the participation fee or booth rental fee or shipping fee. And the second part, for overseas exhibition, we support participation fee, booth rental fee, and also shipping fee. And third part is overseas local meeting. That at that time we just guarantee the airfare or consultation center or interpretation fee. And next one is for the buyer invitations. We support the airfare, consultation desk, or interpretation fee. But be careful, each budget are different. So when your companies apply for this project, you have to divide it. Next one is I want to introduce about overseas exhibition, the total marketing support project. Yeah, this one is also very important because these days the Daejeon many company, they get this chance eagerly. So there are two countries which saved good relationship with South Korea. That is, one is Vietnam and another one is China. Two countries people, they are super interested in Korean products because it is easily to access through the display of channel. Yeah. Based on my experience the last year, 2019, we participate in both booths, was really popular. A lot of local people, they got a super interest, and then they asked a lot of questions, and finally we got a good result. So more specifically, I just want to introduce about the two parts, each session. The Vietnam Hanoi General Exhibitions case, but actually this is planned for this year. But unfortunately, this year, because of COVID-19, all the things are canceled. But this is the plan we aimed at. So maybe the next year, after this bad COVID-19 situation is finished, we just have renewal about this part and do it again. So one is the Vietnam Hanoi General Exhibition, already aimed at the April, but was canceled, unfortunately. And second one is in China. It's also aimed at November, but unfortunately, this one is also canceled. But just want to show about each segment we support. So specific rules we already made for the better performances. As a manager of this project, we have to know about the guidelines of each part, because the making a guideline is the basic rule. Yeah, when you make a better the relationship with your own companies in your local market. So exhibition participation support and marketing support. So these parts are you'd better to remember about which part is included or not. That's why I would like to introduce about this Vietnam Hanoi exhibition in 2019. I think these pictures are good evidence how much Daejeon Technopark representatives show their passion through the pictures. Yeah, as you can see, there are many local, Korean local company, they made a signed MOU with the Vietnamese companies. And as you can see, the many people, they are interested in the part. And at the time, visiting the Korean ambassador So this very important issue. And Vietnam TV, VTC broadcast, they took a shot for this big exhibition. Also at the time, the team leader, Mr. Kwang, he also got an interview through that local press. So I'd like to show how much the Vietnam Hanoi exhibition was popular at the time, and this was also really great performances for the Daejeon Technopark. So of course the result is also very important because you have to remember that this is the government project. After they get a good performances, the project get continued. So result is also very important. So I just want to introduce about the result. First one is the expert consultation. The result, the 71 cases we accepted, and then the money is $31.9 million US dollars. And the signing of contracts case, 4 cases, and $120,000 they signed a contract together. Next one is the signed MOUs case, 12 case, and $25.35 million they signed the MOU together. So I think it's really great performances through 2019, the Vietnam Hanoi exhibition. Okay, the quiz again. I would like to introduce about the quiz question. So what is the name of this project? Yeah. I repeat again, please listen carefully. This process is that the companies that secure products and installation organization that need to enter the market by small and middle-sized venture companies. Now, more specifically, I introduced the two parts, to enhance the competitiveness of R&D and commercialization of ventures and SMEs in the region and enter the initial market products using research, result in local zone. And second one is corporate sales and job creation through functional and performance evaluation and securing reliability and reference for new products. Can you guys the answer? Yeah, I hope you guys get the tips from my explanation. Okay, next page, I would like to introduce about post-BI specialized support project. To make local start company, Daejeon Technopark, we try to foster make strong local companies. Actually, in Daejeon Technopark, over 70 companies already entered. And you guys remember that in Daejeon Technopark, we have 7 different centers, and each center is over 70 companies they already entered. And the managers, the post-BI manager, tries to provide best solution for each company. So as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3. The growth stage, technological support, commercialization support, or consulting support for the companies in the Technopark Specialized Center. And this also, you guys just see the size up to $15,000 US per project. So now this year, 5 companies, they got their benefit from the Daejeon Technopark, of course, Daejeon government. Yeah, through internal changes in Daejeon Technopark, we just to make a linking and fostering, accelerate on local companies by strengthening the post-BI function. First part is the post-BI specialized support project. I just wanna these 3 segments explain. Those 3 segments are very essential ones for better result. So let's review each article based on the more specific introduction through this channel. First, re-establishing the status of a post-BI professional institution through the internal change in Daejeon Technopark. And second one is a specialized support for each type of occupancy and company type to support 3-dimensional growth, and induce changing into an expert-oriented global company. Yeah, I just want to focus on the one sentence more, linking and fostering. excellent local companies by strengthening the post-BI function. Strategy number 1. Yeah. Daejeon Technopark, we keep trying change internal the change we aim at post-BI special managing or organization. So strategy number 1 is Daejeon Technopark internal change through the reestablishment of the status of post-BI professional institution. Yeah, there are 4 parts you have to remember why post-BI we aim at the next level. The first one is corporate support service system improvement. And second one is strengthen the expertise of internal Technopark employees. I think second one is also really important because internal Technopark employees, we try to level up for the giving the better the environment to the companies. So I think support for professional and systemic commercialization promotion by holding licenses for technology trading companies and cooperated valuation agencies. So TP employees, especially the manager of this project, he or she there tries to keep their best to keep their level up. Third one is systematize a platform to support corporate growth. The next one is the systematized database management for tenant companies. I think the keeping a good database management is also very important because you, as a manager, you guys have to remember about each company's condition. So that's why database management is also very important. Strategy number 2 is by step of occupancy and company type to support 3-dimensional growth specialized support. Yeah, there are 5 things you have to see with me. First one is the establishing integrated support platform. And second one is to establish the customized commercialization support system. And third one is promote star company discovery program. Fourth is support for the obtaining certification by growth stage. Fifth is financial and fund linkage support. I think the Daejeon government, we aim at, we make a star company. Yeah, you guys know that a unicorn company, that means from the startup, they get a big performances and globally they got a good occupation. Just like this, we just want to make a star company discovering program. We try to find the proper company, which company has their potential power, and then we cooperate together. So I think establish a support system for related projects such as expert sprout support business and fund operation business for growth fostering tenants. So I think finding a star company is one of the next goal. Daejeon Technopark, we want to get more better performances. The strategy number 3, the last one, we just want to find expert-oriented, globally drive changes into a company. This one is also divided into parts. First one is support for strengthening global competitiveness. And second one is reinforced expert revitalization support. You guys know that one. This is global society. So domestic company, they have to get a chance to explode their level to the globally. So I think the post-BI, their also final goal, they just making a linkage with the global other society. So we just give some momentum how the companies, they could get a chance. Their size is more bigger. So we just, Daejeon Technopark, especially post-BI, this project, we give the global, the competitiveness to each company and reinforced export revitalization support. So those are parts are very, very important. So I hope you guys get a new inspiration through my class. Thank you.